Love takes flight, every morning whispers, guiding us through the night. Electric heartbeats in a rhythm surreal. With every heartbeat, you know how I feel.
To the dangers of love, we'll dance till dawn. In the symphony of stars, our love is reborn. Like echoes of the night.
In these vicious streets, where the time stands still. With every heartbeat, I feel a thrill. Chasing memories under the neon glow. To the echoes of our laughter we always know.
To the dangers of love, we'll break every chain. In this rhythm of passion, we'll dance through the rain. With our hands intertwined, we'll never say goodbye. Forever in this moment. Oh, 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 oh.
In the city of dreams, where shadows weave, we'll paint the night in colors that never leave. With electric whispers, our souls intertwine in the rhythm of love. Your heart beats with mine.
To the dangers of love, we'll shimmer and shine. In the tapestry of stars, our hearts align. Fire's mellow